Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness hit my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees in their days. Touch the breeze in the winter tears, in colors on this snowy land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffer for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They wouldn't listen, they didn't know how. Perhaps they listen now. Starry, starry night, flaming flowers that brightly blaze, swirling clouds in violet haze, reflecting Vincent's eyes of China blue, colors changing hue. Morning fields of amber green, with her faces lined in pain, are soon beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffer for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now, or they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside, on the starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I couldn't have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant, oh wow, as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, portraits hung in empty hills, frameless heads on nameless walls, with eyes that watch their world and can't forget. Life with strangers that we met, with rugged men and rugged clothes, the silver thorn of black rose, lying crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you tried to say to me, and how you suffer for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still.